I've been coming here since I was at the age of 14. I've been coming here, yeah. I've seen a lot of people come and go, you know, a lot of little guys starting off, running small ramps, and they turn out to be pro in the next couple of years. So, yeah, this place, you know, it changes people. It gives a lot of people bigger opportunities in life. Other influential person would probably be honestly just my father, because he was my only like real, like, I don't know how to describe it, like role model, you know, when I was younger, you know, and he really just pushed me into the sport, and from there I just took off as I got older. This is a hobby. This is the only thing honestly that really just clears my head, you know, from work and school and just stress overall, you know. Life hits you with a lot of stuff, so this is the one thing that just really just sends me out, you know? Yeah. Goal right now is just to make the BMX community grow. I want more people to be influenced, you know, and be more involved, and just keep the sport clean and help my family business grow, and you know, hopefully more and bigger projects to come through two wheels. So.